So in which situation P table will generate, in which situation Q table will generate. Okay, you can observe here in the screen itself. See what table generated here? Q table generated. Why table generated? Why it is not generated text table? Clarity. Do you have clarity? Why? Because we didn't select this text box. We didn't select this text box. Okay. When I select this option, then it will generate. Clear. Again I'm repeating. Okay. Last time we repeated. Again I'm repeating. Okay. Once it is active, then it will generate. So, okay. Now it is generated. Now I will go back. Now I will go back. See, we need to refresh this one. Otherwise, it will not reflect. Okay, go back. Now you can see here. Now you can go here. Table is generated, right? Now you are clear, right? When it will generate the T table, when it will generate a M view, when it will generate Q table. Okay. Slowly you will get understand. Okay. Now, okay. Okay. Now you added city. Okay. Clear. Now again I will add one more thing. I will add Z location. Okay. Now I will activate it. Now it is a display attribute. First one is navigation attribute. This is display attribute. Okay. Now again we'll go back and we will refresh. See here. In which situation created P table. Okay. Now we have a P table. Now we have a Q table. Okay. Now we have a Y table. So when you load this, X table will also generate SID table. Okay. When you load data into the P table, so automatically X table also will generate. Now you can able to create, right? XXL tables I am not creating right now. XXL attribute table it will not generate because I didn't create XXL table itself. Clear? Huh? Now you are clear this part. MView for everything it will generate. This is P plus cube. P plus cube. Now if you want to generate hierarchy, now we need to select this option. Where? Go to hierarchy. This one we need to select this option. Okay, you need to select this option. And the hierarchy level, you can select time dependent or something. Okay, just activate it. Okay, you just have an idea like no when will happen. Okay. Basically, see, when you are maintaining, green button has to come, but this means it is not reflected. So we need to refresh it. RSD1 again, go to display. Now you can see green button. So now you can see the tables. HIJ, HIK I can see, but J I don't see. Hierarchy interval table. Hierarchy interval table where it is. So if we select this option, J table also will create. Now you can see all tables. You are clear, right? If we go to general tab, we have a S table. This is SID table. If we go to attributes, now you can see city and location, you can see. Okay, one is navigation attribute tick mark. You can see time dependent. Time dependent means what? You can go to here and you can click on queue table. Key table. See, I didn't add these two option. What we added? We created jet plan. We create jet plan. This is the main info object. We just added only jet city and location. I don't see location here because that is not a navigation attribute. In the key table, you can see only time dependent navigation attributes. You are clear. I will go back again. Now you can see what are the attributes here? What are the attributes? Z city and Z location. So here, which is time dependent, that I can able to see in the P table. Key table. Here you can go to key table and see here I can see only Z city. I don't see Z location. And date to date from why it will come. Why it will come. So you selected time dependent option here. Time dependent option here. Time dependent means always depending on the time dependent. Example, in the real time, we have a one plant. We have a one plant in the Tirupati. We have a plant in Tirupati and date from and date two. Okay, the plant is 1000. Okay, they're maintaining plan 2025 and 0101 until they maintain uh, 08 10. They maintain plant in Tirupati in this, okay, in these dates. Again they moved same plant other place. So this situation will occur, okay, in the real time. That is the way they given like no. So like this will happen. Okay, this way where it is available. So here we didn't add location. Okay, location. Here will come. So in this situation we'll understand it. I moved it like this situation will happen. In the real time, okay, like this it will happen in the organization level. So that is the way they given concept time dependent. Clear. And one more situation, same plan, same thing. I have a material, I have a product. What is the product? Milk or curd. What is the validity of my milk? And manufacturing daily products. This only my products. Milk and curd. That is my business. What is the validity of curd packet? What is the validity of milk packet? You know, right? One day, one day. The date we need to give here. 2025, 12/09, 2025, 12, at least give one day. For curd, clear, right? Why we have to use time dependent? So for this purpose only we need to create dependent. The product validity is only one day. Clear. This product validity is only one day. But real time, maybe cement packet will have this date to this date validity and tablet this date to this date validity. Like this, any material will have same like this, right? So in that situation, we'll create time dependent, time dependent navigation attributes. Clear, huh, this concept?
Yes, now.
Maybe in the employee also you can take it. Employee, your employee. So from date, I need to take date from and date to. Okay, so your name is Kiran. So you are working from 2025 23 0101. Okay, and 2024 24 0101. Your designation is your designation is associate consultant. Associate consultant earlier, and now your designation is your designation is just consultant. You got promotion. So like this business will not occur like this. Okay, like this scenario will come in the real time. Okay, if you take employee, if you take material, if you take plant, any situation you can take it. Okay, same situation will occur. We need to check the validity of employee. At what time he is working in our organization as an associate consultant, at what time he is working as a team lead, at what time he is working as a manager. Maybe you completed in the organization 20 years. Many designations happen, many roles are changing. The role is from where to where. So like this, based on the navigation attribute, you can recognize it. Clearer?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Based on the situations, you can identify, you can create these objects. Okay. If you are clear, okay, then I will go to next object. Okay. This is the concept of display attribute and navigation attribute. I will go to compounding. They will ask you interview question. This is compounding info object. Compounding info object. Sometimes like no employee. I have a one employee. That employee working in location. I will give you location. Okay. Employee working in employee ID is 1000 and one more employee is 1000. Okay. EMP name. Okay. That guy name is Venkat. This guy also Venkat. Or else you can see Sai. This guy also Sai. But how can I recognize? Okay, two employees should not be same name. It's possible, right? Two employees will have same name. Why not? But same employees also having same employee ID. But this employee working in okay, this employee working in US, one employee working in India. So easily we can identify, right, based on this. So location as a compounding in this situation. Compound. So this is the interview question. Okay, you can say if someone will ask you what is the compounding info object. So compounding object will create whenever you are facing duplicate issue. Whenever you are facing duplicate issue, then we will create compounding issue. So it will display the unique value while you are loading the data. Okay. By using compounding, we can we can load unique data. We can identify data uniquely without having issue with the duplicates. So it will behave like superior key. It will behave like superior key. Superior key. For example, we have a plant. So in the plant level, what is the primary key? This one only primary key. This is only primary key in the plant level. What is the attribute? Attribute is like no location. Location is the attribute. I mean city. Zero city is the attribute. This is attribute. Okay, this is not a key. This is not a key. But when I taken zero location as a zero location as a zero location uh, as a component key, then it will behave like no. This is the main key. This is the main key. Location as a main key. I'll show you in the system level. If we go here, I will go to here. So what is the main key? This is the main key. Okay, this is the parent. This is the childs. These are the childs. And if you go any table, so text table I will go. What is the main key? See here, this is the key. Key field, what is the check mark? Okay, this is the key. This is in the text table. Okay, I will go to the mvip. Okay, I will go to mvip. What is the key? You can see here. This is the main info object. See, this is the key. Clear? And I will go to the p table. I will go to the p table. What is the key? This is the key. Okay, clear. So in all the table, okay, this is the key. But when you maintain compounding, okay, compounding is the main key. Because without compounding, your data is duplicate. That is the why we are calling as a superior info object. Clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now what we will do, I'll make it as a superior key. So here I'm removing this G location. I'm removing this one. Okay, I'll remove this one. I'll add an where you will add here. See, generally in the old concept you can add here. Okay, we have to add in the old concept. So this is BW1HANA or BW4HANA. I can't add here. So we need to add here. Where is the option? Go to General tab. So here we have a component. See here, 0. You can select it. Just drill down it. So here I will add it. Okay. When I click on edit, I can get this option. See here, compounding information. So I'm clicking on add. So I will go to here. I'm adding location as a compounding. So now okay, I click OK. Now I added, right? Okay, just activate it. What will happen, we'll see. Just identify the difference. This is very important. And the interview, they will ask at least, okay, navigation attributes are display attribute or transitive attribute or compounding attribute, they will ask definitely. One interview question they will touch. So I'm refreshing this RSD1, click display. Now you can see compounding we maintained it. Okay. Now you can see here we added this one, right? This is superior key. I'll go master data. Okay. Now I will go here master MV. I will go. See here, who is the superior key? See here. This is the superior key location. And go back. Go back. I'll go to the key table. Who is the superior key? Z location. See here. It will go and sit to the top. Without me, you cannot identify the data. That is it will think like that. Okay. Clear up? This is superior key. Clear this concept? Okay. In the interview, by using compounding, it will give the unique data in the report level. Unique data in the report level. Example, we have two employees in the same organization with the same name. So we cannot able to identify them based on the superior key. We will identify it. Superior key we will identify easily. Okay. Location added as a compounding. it will display the unique values. It will display the unique values. Okay. Unique values in the report level. Clear? So like this, we will use it. So maximum we can use 16. Maximum we can use 16 superior keys. Here we have added only. So if you want to add maximum 16, but I never use it. As of now, I see only one, but I didn't use more than one. Clear? And one more scenario. We have a BW system. We have a BW system. I'm loading data from server 1, and I'm loading data from server 2. I'm loading data from server 3. I'm loading data from server 4. So how to system will recognize in the BW level from where to where you are loaded. E1 I loaded, E2 loaded. How to identify the data? So for everything, for E1 or E2 or E3, E4, what I will do while loading the data, I will maintain a superior key. I will maintain a compounding as a source system. I will maintain here source system. When you maintain source system, so we easily, okay, when you load it, after you load all these systems, E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E6, I can easily identify based on the source system name. Oh, this data is loaded by E1. This data is loaded by E2. Okay, that will help you. Real time example, you can tell this as well. You can tell this one as well, your example, and you can tell this as well. I mean, E1 will be available in the Europe, and E2 is available in North America. This is Latin America. This is other place, Middle East. Okay, they are maintaining servers in different location. Okay, we are loading the data into BW, and E2 also we are loading same kind of data we are loading. How we will recognize it? Based on the source system. We will add logical system or source system. We will add source system as a component. Then we can identify the unique data. Okay. So this is very important, and we'll see by tomorrow. Okay, we will do it. Okay, we already loaded master data attributes and text. I will show you again, and if you are taking already server, then you can show me, or else I will show you tomorrow on it. Then we'll jump to the ADSO concept. Okay, we'll go to the next ADSO concept. I'll show you tomorrow example for this, and I will jump to ADSO. Okay. If you have any doubts, ask me. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.